Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, and in here scroll all the way down to System and Update. Next, select Reset and then Reset Phone, which will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like photos, videos, and basically all user data. So if you have anything that you'd like to back up, do that backup before you go any further. Now, if we scroll down and select Reset Phone, and if you have a screen lock, confirm that, you'll have the option to back up your phone right here. But I want to stress this for people that might consider this. This backup will be done directly to the Honor cloud. And what it means is that whatever you're backing up, your data, personal data, is going to someone else's computer, aka Honor or Huawei, depending on how you want to look at it. And furthermore, this backup, even though it's your personal data being stored somewhere else, is not available to you on any other device than Honor, which just kind of gatekeeps you from switching to another device. And on top of that, if you don't use this backup for 2 years or so, 3 years, I don't know what the European Union law for data keeping by corporations, this backup will be just straight up deleted. So it just kind of defeats the purpose of a backup if you might need it years later. So just be very mindful of that. I do highly recommend doing a backup of your device to your personal computer yourself without using any kind of garbage programs. Just plug it in, drag the files that you want to your desktop or to drive, whichever one you want, and you're good to go instead of using this backup. Now, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm going to select Reset. Now, there's two ways of resetting. You can also reset but keep eSIM profile. If you're planning to maybe sell this device, you don't want to keep the eSIM. This is basically as though you were keeping your SIM card in the phone when selling it. You don't want other people that would buy this device to have your SIM card, would you? So just make sure you usually select Reset. This will also remove the eSIM as well. If you're just resetting it to, for instance, clear the data and start fresh on the same device, you can do that option, but 99% of the time everyone doing it will be interested in this option. So that's what I'm going to select. Now this will begin factory resetting the device, and this will take about probably roughly 2 minutes to finish up, give or take. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.